Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw stuff. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the character Bambi from Friday Night Funkin. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. All of that is really appreciated. Alright, so to start drawing Bambi, I'm going to do a line like that. And then we can come on up and we kind of curve a little bit as we're going up. We're going to do the same over here on this side. And now we can do a line like that. So now we got his hat. Now we're going to do two eyes. So we're going to go with a U shape, and now another one. And we can do a little dark circle in each one of those eyes. And let's give them eyebrows. So they're going to be kind of like pointed downward check marks almost. So there's one eyebrow and another. Just going to thicken this one up a little bit. There we go. And now the shape of his face, we're coming on down and we're giving him a big cheek here. We're coming along. And then we will come on up right here by that eye. And we can give him a smile. Just a little one. I'm just going to thicken up this line here. Alright, so now I'm going to do one of his hands. So I'm going to start with a shape like that, kind of like a slanted C. And now let's give him some fingers. So 1, 2, 3, and we'll give him one more, 4. And over here we're going to do his other hand, and it's going to be holding a microphone. So we got a little shape like that, and that's actually his thumb. And we can do a little line like that. So it kind of looks like we have like the number 3 right here. And I'm going to come on down, and this is going to be the handle of the microphone. And come on up a little bit. And we can do the top of the microphone. I'm going to do all these lines right here. And we can come on over this way. Just adds a little bit more detail to the microphone. All right, and now we got 1, 2, 3 fingers we'll give them. And now we're gonna come on down here and a line right here. Another one here and come on over that way. And down, over, come on down again, and over. And right here we're coming down a little bit, and we're going across. We'll come on up and go over, come on down, go over this way and come on up. And now we gotta do the pocket on his clothes. So we just did 2 little lines, and then we go across. And we can give him a button here and a button here. Alright, so we have him drawn. I'm going to actually kind of use this black marker to thicken up the lines around him, just so he kind of pops off the page a little bit more, and I'm gonna color him too. All right, folks, so we are finished our picture of Bambi. Thank you for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Okay, goodbye.